All right, looks like the actual truck just came with my tires. Chill like, what's your name? Kunaya. This is 195.50 and these are 225.50 by 15. Oh, son of a cop. 2. Thank you. 3. Thank you very much. So I'm about to pay this nice lady really quick. It's about $200 for these tires, which isn't bad at all actually. It's about 50 bucks a tire. Confirm. All right, let's take these bad boys into the shop and take a look. Are they gonna fit? Are they gonna be sick with it or what? That was a close one. Almost knocked the GoPro over. Before we get going on these tires, let me really quickly show you the rims that I'm gonna be putting on this car. So these are like, I guess they're called smoothies in the Volkswagen world. I found these online. Some guy was selling them up country. I picked up each one of these for about $30. And these are kind of deep dish, as you can see. And they even got the little original Volkswagen caps. I took these to the shop. I had them powder coated. They got the white in the inside and they match the paint of the car. So the whole setup for one rim and one tire, including the painting, I probably paid about $100 a rim, which includes the rim, the painting, the hubcap, and the tires. So that's a really good deal. What you guys say? Anyways, let's see what these are gonna look like on the car. Do you guys like them or not? Come on, let's go look. I was just talking to the manager of this shop and they actually put these little rings. They put them on this bug right here. This bug right here is like a teal green, right? They did it. They just got some brand new wheels and rims and tires and everything and they haven't glued them on yet. It looks pretty dope, right? I didn't even know they had these. I wish I knew back in the day when I was in high school, man. It was hard to get white walls. Right here, these are the original white walls that came with this bug. I don't know if it's original or what, but they're huge. They're like a 4-inch, right? So these are looking kind of tacky. The dude decided to take them off and he just put some aftermarket ones on. So he's pretty happy with it. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take the rims to the shop and actually have them put the tires on the rims and then put these on as well. So I'm gonna go do that right quick. Let's take a look. Be right back. Bye. Right, that's it. We got it all on there. Now it's time to take them to the shop and see what these bad boys are gonna look like on the car. See you in a minute. Whoa, what's up, y'all? We are back. Check it out. The rims came with the white walls, but man, I don't know, they ain't looking too good. Something's wrong. As you can see from a distance, they look all right. But when you get closer to them, they're like all warped and shit. Kind of like not so happy about it, honestly. Definitely bubbled up right there. I'm gonna walk around right here and show you guys from this angle so you could see more. They could be glued better, maybe some kind of adhesive. What I think I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna trim them down and then reinstall them. It's a flop, you guys. Anyways, we're gonna get these out of the truck, put them on, see how they look anyways.
1 minute later.
Just cut to the chase. We put the tires on the bug. Take a look. Is it ugly or what? I don't know. They don't look too bad, right? I think it's pretty dope. Not bad, right? I mean, of course I gotta fix these, but maybe the white walls is all right. Let's look at it from this angle right here. It's not bad. Looks like a little sleeper, right? I'm pretty happy with it. One thing we might add to this bug, and that's gonna be a turbo. That's right, man. You guys heard it from me. See this bug right here, man? This dude put on a turbo, so you got the carbs right here. So you got it all sucking in, pushing the air into the carbs. Here's the little turbo right there. If you can see it, it's kind of dark, probably not. So this thing spins, does all its magic, and it increases the horsepower. Anyways, hope you all like this little video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys at the next one when we're a little bit closer to getting the bug on the road. All right, guys, take it easy. Bye-bye.